let's just talk about like our most popular ones first.
Okay, great.
We sell a lot of these pyramids.
Yeah.
So, what's the pyramid? It's all the orgonites made out of the same composite.
That's
We've got it's a blend of powders, metal powders, and shungite powder as well. So this is a shungite orgonite pyramid, and we we do sell them as individuals, but we also have sets of 4, and these are perfect for gridding your property.
That's correct.
And we're going to do a video where we're going to walk around a property and show you like the best place to put them and how to grid your property. But in general, these have become one of our best sellers. Why is it a pyramid?
Okay. All right. Now, the shape of the pyramid is important when dealing with electromagnetic fields, when dealing with electrical charges. And the things that we've been talking about are those two things. The stray electromagnetic fields, when it comes through this blend of orgonite, this matrix takes those stray fields and turns it into healthy, coherent energy. The reason why it's in the shape of a pyramid is for the electrical properties of a pyramid. Electrical fields and charges tend to interact at the apex or at the point. So if you can imagine this invisible field or beam of ions, negative ions, coming from the point up into the environment, that's basically powered by the stray fields in the environment. That is what is being used to do things like dispense with the toxic chemtrails above you. The reason why people grid their properties with these pyramids is because if you have, let's say, 4 of these around your home, basically you've created this barrier protection, not only around your home, but also in the local environment. So your neighbors are also benefiting from this. And what this does is dispense with the chemtrails above you and your neighborhood. Now, what you see as a result of that is if on a heavy chemtrail day, you'll see, although you see a gray film of chemtrails several miles around you, what you'll see above you is a breakup of those chemtrails and blue sky.
Now, we've had a lot of people that write into us saying, show us. We want to see the breakup of chemtrails. Show us the proof and everything. So
yes.
we've made a few videos just around our home where we're showing that there's always this this constant blue sky right above our house. Even when these clouds come in, there's this hole in the sky above our house. And we really do feel that it's because of the orgonite pyramids. We also have a video showing how the field created by the orgonite pyramids is actually breaking up the chemtrail. So there's like this big chemtrail over one of our homes that we lived in.
Yes.
It was in a city, it was an apartment, and it was this big trail over there, and you put the orgonite pyramids up and you can see where there was like this hole in the chemtrail, and then it continued on over there. So we have videos of that. If you want to check out our channel, you'll see some of those videos showing this hole. But generally, the good thing is that what you're doing is you're creating a protective environment around your home. So, we know that there's a lot of things going on, geoengineering and HARP and chemtrails and all of the different chemicals and the metals and the aluminum and all that stuff that's in those chemtrails. That are making a lot of people sick, that are making it difficult for people to sleep well or think straight. There's a lot of side effects from that. So you can't stop what's happening in your environment, as far as you can't stop them from spraying in the planes and everything else. However, you can make a protective bubble and shield around your own home, which is why we're going to be showing you some of the, we'll call it whole house EMF protection.
Yes.
Because you can use several of these products in several different ways, just in your home, in your life, in your house, and it will protect you and your family and even some of your neighbors, because the field that's created by the Orgone energy goes out pretty far.
Yes, it does.
Right? I mean, some people ask, that's another question that we get, how far does the field go out?
Yeah, it depends on the weather conditions in your environment, like humidity, or whether it's dry in certain regions. Now, Dr. Wilhelm Reich mentioned this with Orgone energy. It has an affinity, or it likes to tend towards moisture or water, but the field can extend for miles. That blue field that you see, like where you have the chemtrails miles away, but then as closer up you get, you see the circular breakup of the chemtrails with blue sky. That can extend for miles. Like for example, at our home, I mean, we're talking in some days between 15 to 20 mile radius.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty large, and that's just for like 4 pyramids.
Not to mention that we feel kind of good because we are this little business that we've created as far as making these products, and they're all made by hand, by the way. We'll show you some video footage of that as well in our lab, in our workshop making it. But we've been shipping these products all over the world. So kind of like if you look at it from a holistic perspective, there are little pockets of cleaned up environment all over the world just from these products. I mean, we've literally shipped out well over 1,000 packages to people. We might be close to like 2,000 at this point. It's just, it's picking up. More and more people are learning about it, and people are coming back and they're buying different items, or they're buying more pyramids because they're trying to grid a larger area. And it's really working out very well.